Yo guys, what's up? So today I'm going to show you guys a couple of guns that I've been working on over the past few weeks. Now these are not the actual guns I'm going to build. These are like prototypes, just examples that I'll follow to build like the actual real gun. So this one is just made out of cardboard. It's not a real gun. This one just like a prototype. Yeah, but the actual gun I'll use metals and it will be actually real to fire real bullets. Yeah, but for now, yeah, this one is just made out of carbon. So this one is a Glock 19. As you can see, it's not that perfect. This is my first time building a Glock pistol, so I gotta learn from this one so that my previous ones will be much better. Yeah, so that's what I have here. So I have my magazine here. If I remove it, you can see. As I said, this is just a prototype. That's why it's not looking that great. The final version will be pretty much awesome. So that's what I have here. I have the magazine here. Alright, so I'll cock it like put it inside, then I charge it. Alright, so this is charge it. Alright, so I got a trigger here. Yeah, so this is the Glock 19 prototype. I'll build different versions and improve upon it. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. And this one is sort of like an AR-15. An AR-15 rifle. Yeah. This one too is also a prototype. It's not the final version of the suit, just a prototype. I'll build the final version in real metal and use real ammunitions, 5.56 rounds. Yeah. So that's what I have here. Of course, I have the charging handle at the top here. If I cock it like this, if I cock it like it, watch here, you see that the mechanism is actually working. So if I cock it backwards like this, you can see the mechanism is working. It moves back. And if I press the trigger, you see it moves forward. Really. That's actually how the whole trigger mechanism is going to look like. Yeah, so as I said, I'll be using real metal and be using real ammunition in the final version. So that's what I have here. And of course, I have the magazine here. This magazine is actually for the M4 carbine, but I haven't built this AR-15 actual magazine yet. I'm just using this M4 carbine magazine to like for now. Yes, that's pretty much it. Alright, so the magazine too actually works. So you can put the rounds in like this. You can put it like you can load in the rounds. But as I said, this one is just a prototype, so I don't have the actual real ammunition here. That's why I can demonstrate it to my best ability. Yeah, so I'm using this pen as sort of like an ammunition. So you put it in like inside like this, then you just load it 30 rounds. Then after you just put it inside your AR-15. Alright, so this gun you can actually dismantle. And actually this gun I'm not fully down. Like I'm like let's say 70% down. I haven't actually done with the prototype. I'm still building. I have to add like some few things to it before I'll be finally done with this prototype. So that's why I have here. But you can actually dismantle this whole gun. So what you're gonna need to, if you look closely here, you can see some pins here. Some pins are here. Now you can dismantle this gun by removing those pins from it. So for you to dismantle the gun, first of all, you press the side inside like this. Press it in. Press it inside then. Alright, let me poof. Alright, so you press it inside, then you remove this first lock over there. Then come to the other side. Sort of like hard. Alright. Alright, then move the second pin too. And after, there's another pin in front here. You can see over there. So that one too, we push it inside like this. Then you turn the other side. Then you push that one too. Then move the lock. Then you move the final pin in front of you, which is this one. So if you move this pin like this, now you can dismantle the whole gun. Alright, you can dismantle the whole gun. Wait a second. Alright, so if you move that pin, you can now dismantle the whole gun like this. Yeah, so this pretty much the whole trigger mechanism in the whole thing. It's not that really complicated. I made it simple so that it wouldn't be like difficult to build it, so it's pretty much simple. This way you charge it, you move it back like this, cam locks down back here, then you just press the trigger, then move forward. That's pretty much it. So you can dismantle the whole thing pretty much. Alright, so I have the barrel here, and of course I have my lower receiver here and the backstop to over here. Alright, so I can put it back again. So of course I have my dash cover here, then the barrel, the floated barrel, then yeah, I guess that's pretty much it. So let's assemble it back and look at the whole process. So for you to assemble it, of course you're gonna need a pin. If you look closely here, you can see some hinge over here. So what you're gonna need to do is replace this hinge. Place it where it's supposed to be. Then put in your lock. You put it back in. Alright, so first lock is in place. That's the first lock pin here. So what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to put the other locks in place. So after doing everything, it's sort of like this, and put it back in like this. Alright, so let's put him back there. Other pin. Alright, so push it back down like this, then put in the first pin, and turn on over the back side too. Alright, kind of difficult to do the whole thing. Alright, so the second pin too is in place. Then here's the final pin, or let's say the middle pin. I want to put it inside. Alright, so let's demonstrate the whole thing and see. So since I've finally assembled the whole thing back again, of course I have my magazine inside. Alright, so let's cut the whole thing and see. So here's the charging handle. So push it back like this, goes in place. Then of course I haven't put in the scopes and the iron sights and all those Picatinny wheels and other stuff in here. But as I said, this is not fully done, like just a prototype. I'm still building on it, coming up with new ideas and stuff. So that's what I have for now. So let them show you see. So of course I have my backstop, charging handle, then press the trigger, charge. Yeah, so this is the AR-15 I've been working on. So I hope you guys like it. If you like it, you know where to follow me. I don't know about this. Just do what and go check me out. I mean, this whole thing is just for educational purpose. You know, I'm not saying you should build this type of weapons to go and do bad stuff or other stuff. Yeah, just for you to learn about like the whole engineering behind it and stuff. Yeah, that's the main purpose. That's why I've been building this kind of, let's see, toys or let's see, machines or whatever. So let me put it here. Of course, my Glock is over here. I'm out. Yeah, so I'll be building a new Glock, and like I'll use the lessons learned from here and use it to build the next one I'm gonna build. So there's the Glock here. Now here's the old M4 carbine, that one. Of course, I have the magazine here. The M4. This is the actual magazine for the M4 carbine here. So that one you put inside like this, then you lock it in place. Alright, so that's the M4 carbine. Of course, I have my safety select switch here. So safe, semi, and full auto. Alright, so that's my M4 carbine here. Yeah. This is the first kind of AR-15 gun I built, this M4. And of course, we have the legend himself, the AK-47, the Russian version of the automatic rifle here, also known as Automat Kalashnikov AK-47 here. So that one is probably one of the earliest guns that I built, this AK-47. As you can see, it's not that, it doesn't resemble the actual AK-47 that much, but I guess it was one of my early builds, so I guess you have to take it like that. That's what I have for now. So yeah, of course I have my safety here, select switch here, but I've glued it so I can't actually rotate it. But of course I have my charging handle here, which actually functions here. Then of course I have my iron scope here, the iron sights here. And of course, my front sights also here. Front sights here. Yeah. And my back stock, non-adjustable back stock, can actually adjust it. And of course, I have a trigger here, but this one, it's just a prop. It doesn't function or do anything. I mean, it's one of my AS builds, so that's what I have for you. So, guys, go out there and build something. Just build something cool, just for fun. Like be creative, learn engineering, like that kind of stuff. Yeah. So, I know this video is not to motivate or inspire someone to go and do any use this kind of weapons to do bad stuff or something. It's just for you to learn something. I mean, the engineering behind it. That's what this video is about. So, I mean, if you like this video, make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already, and maybe share it with your friend. Maybe they might be interested in this kind of toys or let's see weapons or whatever. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you guys like it. Yes, I'll see you guys later. Bye for now. Peace.